Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is where I talk about music production, gear and other nerdy stuff. And today I am working on a track and I feel that my creativity is going downwards and I'm getting stuck. And I have talked about this on this channel before and I can just show you here. We have this loop here and I can play it just a little bit. So there's a basic melody here, there is a kick, some bass, and some kind of low-end leads here with a melody kind of thing. And we go into a snare here and a clap, and well, it loops. And I kind of feel that this is not going anywhere, and you get this feeling that, okay, what should I do now? It happens to me sometimes. Maybe it happens to you as well, I don't know, but I wanted to show you a tip and try to get out of this, and this video is going to be short, and this is probably obvious to some of you. Maybe you already know this, but if you don't, then what we do, we take this part and we copy it here. Just make a new piece here, or we can loop this part here and we remove the rest here, like so. And what we do now is we go back to the basics. So what does that mean? Well, we go into here and we change the notes, just change them to the basic, no changes. So let's mute the lead kind of tracks and just play it now. Let's see. Okay, you kind of get that groove back in you. So let's move these up, or maybe it's down. No, I think it's there. Yep. Let's introduce these again, and let's do the same here. Just down, turn them on, listen. Okay, there's something. Like so. So now you have a new start again, and I can kind of feel that I get some inspiration again when I have this just basic thing going. Like something. So my problem is kind of like I have to make a melody of everything, and maybe that's the problem. But here now I think I could play with some automation on the synthesizer, for example, and just loop it again, and don't really focus so much on creating melodies, just try to create some change and try to make it more basic actually. That's the difference between these two here. So this have a melody and you are kind of locked into that melody, but here you are more free to develop it further. So that's kind of what I'm trying to think, that if you get stuck, try to simplify your things. You can just take your project and save it to a new file, and just take your file and kind of damage it, and try to simplify it, try to remove tracks and see if that helps, see if that gets you back to your original creative juices. Because if the foundation isn't good, it's I think it's probably difficult to build a complete track of it. It's doable. I know it's music, so there are really no rules. But this was just a tip I hope helps you get your creativity back. That's all for today. It's a short video. Thank you for watching it. If you like content like this, you know what to do. It's the subscribe button, it's the bell button, and it's telling others about my YouTube channel. And that's all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.